Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes King. So this is the all-new Mercedes AMG GT R facelift, and it has a gorgeous Solarbeam yellow exterior color. It produces 700 Nm of torque and 585 horsepower. The top speed is 318 km an hour. So in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, and you will listen to the sound. So let's first start with the front of the car. So here you can notice that the front look has changed. Mercedes AMG has made it that you viewers can't resist this amazing beast. Neither can the wind, because it has a new aerodynamic button in the interior, and if you press it, underneath aerodynamic lines will appear, which is very special. It has the AMG emblem here on the side. Furthermore, Panamericana grille with again the AMG emblem and very aggressive front bumpers with horizontal lines. At the complete end of these bumpers you can notice the aerodynamic gaps. And I really like this Solarbeam yellow exterior color. So I've got the key right here, and if you unlock the car you will notice these lines on the headlamps, how they lighten and illuminate, similar to the AMG GT 4-door. It has 16 vertical lines for the Panamericana grille and a large Mercedes star in the center. And the width is also amazing. It is almost 2 meters wide. So moving over to the side of the car you can notice a very long hood. It has a V8 bi-turbo emblem, carbon fiber side mirrors, and also carbon fiber roof. And that's because this car is equipped with the carbon fiber package number 2, which costs around 3,000 euros. A gorgeous line also underneath, and here at the rear it is a little bit more curved, and it has gorgeous AMG multi-spoke rims with orange ceramic brakes and matte black color, and the size is 325 30 20 inch. So let's move over to the side of the car, and here you can notice very horizontal tail lights. So let's again unlock the GTR, and here you can notice it with these LED lights. Furthermore, there is a huge spoiler here on the top, and it is fixed, so you can't fold it in or out. That's also optional. It has for the GTR characteristics multiple exhaust tips, 2 at the sides and 1 large in the center. Also a gorgeous diffuser with vertical lines. So let's open the trunk, and therefore you have to press a button here on the side of the steering wheel. And let's open it. I really love how it opens just alongside the coupe line, all the way to the roof. Blacked out cage for the interior. And here we can already have a glimpse of the full tech interior of the new facelift GTR. It has around half of the storage area of a GT 4-door coupe. But you still can be creative and store your luggage on top of each other alongside the coupe line. So let's close the trunk and we will have a look at the interior. There you can see the AMG emblem. And of course an AMG emblem here at the door side. So let's get inside. And indeed, that's quite an effort. So I will just close the door, press the button for the electronics to work. Here it says AMG. And I'm really impressed with the high tech that this GTR has. It has touchpads on the steering wheel. And these seats are very special. They are not the AMG performance seats, but the race sport cup seats. It has an Multimode emblem here on the center. Storage compartment. And you can also see that I have some yellow seat belts over here. So I will just grab it and demonstrate how to put it on. So it says here press to release. Slide it in. Take the left side and the right side. It also says here right, left. And just slide it in the thick buckle. And here you can adjust the size. It also has the standard seat belt. In case you get annoyed with this very complicated racing seat belt, you can also have your 5th or number 6 seat belt. So let's escape from the seat belt and we will move on with the technology inside, because it has two large 10.2-inch digital screens. You can operate the screen in front of you with the touchpad here at the steering wheel, and the right one with the right touchpad. You can also control it here with the touchpad on the center console. ESP on or off. Dynamic select, but you can also change it here with the steering wheel. A switcher. Transmission into manual or automatic. Again the dynamic select button. So you have 3 ways to change your characteristics of the car. The lower one is for the suspension. And here you have a switcher which is yellow in the center console. Here you can adjust the traction on the road. Furthermore, a lot of gorgeous yellow contrast stitching, at least for the interior, because it's black and yellow, while the exterior is yellow and black. So let's have a look at what's under the bonnet. Mercedes-AMG integrated so much motorsport technology in this AMG GT R. It has ultralight carbon fiber materials. So let's have a look at what's under the hood of this beast. In a gorgeous color. This is the AMG GT R with a 4-liter 8-cylinder engine. It produces 700 Nm of torque and over 585 horsepower from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds, and the top speed is 318 km/h. So let's close the bonnet. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.